Your 20s are the time to explore, grow, and find what truly lights you up. But with so many options out there, where do you even start? In today's video, we're diving into exciting hobbies that can transform your life, expand your skills, and make your free time unforgettable. Stick around, because the last hobby might just lead you to your dream job. First up, unleash your inner artist. Whether it's painting, drawing, or sculpting, art is an incredible way to relieve stress and express yourself. You don't need to be a pro to enjoy it. Just start with a blank canvas and see where your imagination takes you. Looking to get lost in another world? Reading is not only a great escape, but also expands your mind. Join a book club or set a personal reading challenge. Classics, thrillers, or fantasy, there's something for everyone. Plus, it's a great way to connect with people who share your interests. Don't underestimate the joy of gardening. Even if you have just a tiny balcony, growing herbs, flowers, or even vegetables can be incredibly rewarding. There's something magical about nurturing a plant and watching it grow. Capture the world through your lens. Photography lets you tell your story in ways words can't. Try experimenting with different styles like portrait, landscape, or street photography. Who knows, you might even start a photo blog. Ready to spice up your life? Experimenting with cooking gives you the chance to try new recipes and hone your culinary skills. From homemade pasta to mastering sushi, cooking is both a practical skill and a creative outlet. Exercise your mind with puzzles. Jigsaws, crosswords, or brain teasers are perfect for keeping your mind sharp and giving you a break from screens. Plus, they're a fun way to relax after a long day. Step into the digital world with coding. Learning to code can open up career opportunities and enhance your problem-solving skills. Plus, there's something satisfying about creating your own app or website from scratch. Want to find some inner peace? Yoga and meditation are amazing ways to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Just 10 minutes a day can make a world of difference in your overall well-being. Step out of your comfort zone with acting or improv. It's a fantastic way to boost your confidence, express yourself, and even make some friends along the way. Traveling is a passion worth indulging in your 20s. Even if it's just a road trip to the next town, experiencing new places and cultures can inspire you and broaden your horizons. Get your hands dirty with pottery. Creating something functional and beautiful with your own hands is therapeutic. Plus, you'll have one-of-a-kind pieces to decorate your space or give as gifts. Learning a new language is more than just words. It's a gateway to new cultures, travel experiences, and even career opportunities. Plus, it's a fun and challenging way to keep your mind active. Who says games are just for kids? Board games, video games, and strategy games are a great way to unwind and have fun with friends. Plus, they're fantastic for bonding. Have something you're passionate about? Share it with the world. Starting a YouTube channel or blog lets you connect with others who have similar interests. Plus, it's a creative outlet where you can showcase your unique perspective. So there you have it. Hobbies to try in your 20s that can truly enrich your life. Which one are you excited to start? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiration to make the most of your 20s.